Are you worried about your oxygen levels or pulse rate, especially during exercise or in high-altitude situations? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Innovo IP900 BP-B. The Innovo IP900 BP-B is a fingertip pulse oximeter that really caught my eye. Priced at $35.99, this model stands out with its wireless Bluetooth connectivity and a companion app that lets you track your readings easily. If you want accurate readings with the convenience of an app, this is worth a serious look. This device offers a measuring range of 70% to 100% SpO2 and is reliable even at low blood perfusion, which is crucial if you're an athlete or someone who might be monitoring their oxygen levels frequently. The improved LED and sensor technology allows for accurate pulse rate measurements in just seconds. Plus, the app gives you visualizations of your SpO2 waveform and perfusion index, making it perfect for anyone who wants to keep a close eye on their health stats. Now, some people complained about the app being a bit glitchy at times. Here's the thing though, if you're not too tech-savvy or just want straightforward readings without the app, it's still a solid option. But for those who love using tech to track their health, this is a great feature. This model is perfect for you if you're into sports like climbing or skiing, where oxygen levels can drop. Skip this one if you're looking for a strict medical device. It's meant for casual use. Alright, that was a great option, but if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, the next one might catch your attention. Product number 2, the WellU Fingertip Pulse Oximeter. Priced at just $14.98. It's a budget-friendly model that still packs a punch with its accuracy and built-in memory features. If you want a reliable device without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth checking out. The WellU Oximeter measures SpO2 levels in the range of 95% to 100%, and it does so in about 8 seconds. It also has a built-in memory function that keeps track of your last 12 readings. This means you can easily monitor your progress over time, which is important for anyone engaging in physical activities or just keeping an eye on their health. The audible alerts when your levels exceed set limits is a thoughtful touch that ensures you won't miss any important changes. However, some users have reported that the display can be a bit small and hard to read, especially for those with poor eyesight. But if you're okay with a little squinting in return for a great price, it's still a fantastic deal. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, no-frills device for casual use, especially for sports enthusiasts. Skip it if you want advanced features like Bluetooth connectivity or extensive data tracking. Now, if the well-used display size concerns you, the next product on my list has a larger screen and a unique design. Product number 3. ChoiceMed Oximeter. Let's talk about the ChoiceMed Finger Pulse Oximeter, priced at $22.15. This one is great for its larger LED display, which makes it easy to read at a glance. If you want something user-friendly that doesn't compromise on quality, keep listening. With a measurement accuracy of plus or minus 2%, this oximeter is able to provide readings in just 10 seconds, displaying SpO2 levels up to 100%. The one-button operation is super simple, and it's compact enough to carry around, making it a great companion for athletes or anyone on the go. Plus, it comes with a carrying pouch and lanyard, so you can keep it handy when you need it. That said, some users reported that the accuracy can be off when used on smaller fingers, which could be an issue for some. But for most users, this is a minor inconvenience given its price and functionality. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable device for sports or casual monitoring without any complicated features. Skip it if you have smaller fingers and need something more tailored. Alright, that was a solid choice. But if you're looking for something that combines luxury with functionality, the next one might be just the ticket. Product number 4. MyBest OLED Oximeter, white and silver. The MyBest OLED Finger Pulse Oximeter, available for $22.15, is not just about functionality. It also offers a sleek design and adjustable brightness. If you appreciate aesthetics in your health gadgets, you'll want to hear more about this. The MyBest Oximeter provides SpO2 readings in 10 seconds and can display results in 4 different directions with 6 display modes. The adjustable brightness is a fantastic feature, especially when using it in different lighting conditions. With a battery life of up to 40 hours, this device is designed for frequent use, making it ideal for anyone involved in sports or aviation. However, some users pointed out that the instructions could be clearer. I'll be real with you, if you're not great with tech, there might be a slight learning curve, but once you get the hang of it, the features are definitely worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a chic and functional device for your outdoor activities. Skip it if you prefer something that's simple and straightforward without any extra features. Now, if you like the MyBest but want a slightly different color option, the next one is pretty much the same but with a different look. Product number 5, MyBest OLED Oximeter in black. Next, we have the MyBest OLED Finger Pulse Oximeter in black, priced at $21.95. This model boasts all the same features as the previous one, but in a sleek black finish. If you want style and functionality combined, you'll want to stick around for this. Just like the white silver model, this oximeter has a measuring range of 0% to 100% SpO2 and displays results in various modes. Its compact size makes it easy to carry, and it's perfect for anyone looking to monitor their oxygen levels casually or during exercise. The waveforms displayed can help you determine the best time to take your readings, which is an added bonus. A couple of reviews mentioned that it might not hold up as well in extreme outdoor conditions, which may be something to think about, but for regular use, it's a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish way to keep track of your oxygen levels while enjoying outdoor activities. Skip it if you need something specifically designed for rugged conditions. Now, let's wrap this up and compare all these options.
So, to recap, we have the Innovo IP900BP-B for tech enthusiasts, the budget-friendly WellU, the user-friendly ChoiceMed, the stylish MyBest OLED in white/silver, and the sleek black version. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Innovo IP900BP-B because of its advanced features and app connectivity that really cater to sports enthusiasts and tech lovers alike. The one to avoid? I'd say the ChoiceMed if you have smaller fingers, as it might not give you the best accuracy.